Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. Hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump in charts for Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm going to show you my trades. 2 days ago the market dropped. 5 hours before it dropped I closed my trades and I set buy orders down. Then it came down and activated, which is beautiful. Also yesterday Nvidia and Tesla had massive pumps, and then Jerome Powell spoke and then he dropped the stock market, which was interesting. He said stocks were too high. Which they are, and we already know this game about too high interest rates, inflation, etc. Hit the subscribe button, smash up, thumbs up, and turn on the bell. We're going to look at the technicals for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Tesla. If you have more requests, let me know in the comment section down below. Let's jump into technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. My account 857 getting a bounce back. I added more even into Bitcoin today. You can see I've got 4 Bitcoin now. This is where I sold Bitcoin. I warned everyone on X at 115,000. It dropped down to, we had a low of 111. And today I added even at 110,995. I posted on X my buys, and now we're back in the profit. 113K my Bitcoin trade, 2,200 my Ton trade, 4,500 my Ethereum trade. Making gains, everyone. Big congratulations. We sold before the drop. Here I posted it. Even today, 7 hours ago, my Bitcoin trade activated 110,000. And let's see if we can find where I showed in my previous videos, but we sold before the drop and then we've been rebuying, which is beautiful. And now we're in profits. Let's go into the technicals. We're getting a bounce back. Altcoins are pumping a little bit. The tech stocks also look like they're up. Uni's up 1.4, Bitcoin up 1%. The tech stocks, Tesla up 0.7. Nvidia 0.7 after they dropped yesterday on Jerome Powell's speech. Bitcoin, let's go on to the weekly charts. On the weekly charts, it's coiling. It looks like it's tightening up. And it still looks like a bull flag. Pole and flag still looks like a bull flag. Also, if we go into Bitcoin on the spot position, you can see my calculation from the halving. 560 days after the halving is the top of the market according to the 4-year cycles. If you've been watching, for 2020, it took 574 days to reach the top of the market, and the same for 2017, also the number of days from 2015 bull market. And you can see here now we've been 518 days out of 560, so 40 days left. You can see it's also pushing up with a bull flag, and I think it's going to pump out. Let's look closer. Stochastic is oversold on the daily. That's what I posted about today as well. Over on X, Bitcoin oversold 7 hours ago on the daily stochastic. You can see here the stochastic is now oversold on Bitcoin, and I went long because of this. And now those trades are starting to pump, which is beautiful. If you haven't taken a trade, I would try to catch it. The major support is forming around here, 110,000, where we added today. Tight stop loss, and then running it back. All-time high was 124,000. Risk to reward would be, I would take a tighter stop like this, risking 1,400 to make 15,000. 10x leverage would be 150. And we're, again, those trades are already active, and I added even more today to the trade, to this Bitcoin trade. So I added half a Bitcoin, 110.9. You can see I added here on all look, we're cool, huh? Sold here, then dip bought here, and we're getting a bounce. All the trades have been turned green from just yesterday. All these trades I only activated yesterday. Let's see if you can see it. It was, or the day before, or even yesterday, 1 day ago, next Bitcoin order activated, and today Bitcoin. This was 2 days ago when I sold. So closing out all spot position leverage trades on Bitcoin, and I closed it out $17,000 in the profits. My Ton and Ethereum, I closed at slight losses. But then a few hours after that, the market dropped down and it activated all my trades. And now, if you fast forward 2 days later, we went from, this was when the trades all activated, and I added even more. I only had 1.5 Bitcoin, now I have 4. And we go 2 days later and boom, all in the green, which is amazing. Congratulations, everyone. Let's go quickly into Ethereum. No, I want to check out Tesla. Going to Tesla. We're up on Tesla since I bought it. We're already up 102% since we bought it in April. Since we bought it last month on this breakout of this descending triangle, we're up 42%. Stochastic is overbought now a lot on the daily. On the 4 hourly, the stochastic reset a little bit. On the weekly, Also, it's very overbought on the weekly stochastic. You can see here, every time it's this overbought, it's time to sell actually. But we haven't had a double top. Usually we get a double top like here, or like here we get a double top, but it's already very overbought. We made mega gains, 42% in 1 month. It's at resistance. I think it can still run though. Big resistance will be at 522 and 489. So that's where I'm going to look. But again, it's quite overbought already. But with Elon back and pushing it, I think it could push. And he said that he's only going to get paid if he makes the company 10 trillion. Join everyone in the Telegram. There's 817 of you online, 864 messages today. We are one of the biggest communities in crypto. Get the Telegram premium, so it automatically translates everyone into English or whatever language you are. People discussing. BlackRock has sold over 900 million in the last 6 hours of Bitcoin. We were buying and BlackRock was selling. All the links down below. Yesterday's video, 5 of 10, 3,000 views on YouTube. Take profit, Mr. Guru, legend. Take my like number 100. Your daily video helped me a lot. Take decision. Congratulations. Thank you. Hello, Gurus. Nice moves, Guru. Can you tell us what's going on with MCRT? They're still building. I'm still holding. James, does this invalidate the symmetrical triangle you're talking about in the last video? I think no, because I'm bullish on Bitcoin right now, in summary. Thank you all for the messages, and all the links are down below under the video. Bybit 60k bonus if you've been trading or getting liquidated or have high fees. Bybit is the best. WeX is KYC free worldwide exchange. Take the courses and join the Telegram. I'm in the process of buying $2 million house from videos. I'm up 122k on my investment, almost double my money. My portfolio hit over $1 million. And you can see just many comments from students over the time. Almost 200,000 students or in the groups and the Telegrams and on X. If you make gains from me, hire social media marketers, push messages of peace, anti-war, protect the nature and the trees. Don't cut down. If you make money, I want you to buy land and preserve the nature, preserve the trees, have families, and just make abundance. Look after each other. Love you all. Have an amazing day. Congratulations on gains on Tesla and Nvidia. 100% in just a few months on both of them since April, and just 40% in the last month on Tesla and Nvidia. On Tesla and Google, which is amazing, and all our trades, which are beautiful. Have an amazing day. Love you all, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.